Just a moment of loss of control. Seemingly harmless slopes has become a death trap for a variety of vehicles. Don't look away. The situations at the end of the video are much more dangerous and dramatic. Watch until the end to see why just a small mistake can cost your life. Right at this steep bend, the truck loaded with wood lost its balance. 1 second of losing control, dozens of tons of wood fell down like a waterfall. Luckily, no one was standing near the truck when it fell. Otherwise, the consequences would have been much more disastrous. The heavily loaded vehicle began to climb the slope. The rear wheels slipped slightly, but the driver still tried to step on the gas to pass. But it was too much time. The vehicle suddenly slid backwards, completely out of control. And here, the fateful moment. The car overflowed in the middle of the slippery slope. The crane started to accelerate up the hill, but the terrain was too slippery. The front wheels were starting to come off the ground. Dust billowed behind, but the traction was not enough. And, as expected, the car was forced to back up, giving way before this dangerous slope. The first attempt failed. Will the second attempt be successful? Just as it regained momentum to climb the hill, the white car suddenly lurched. People around rushed to help in panic, but it was too late. The car slid sideways, tilted its wheels, and then fell down the unguarded embankment. A spine-chilling flip, and this is a warning to anyone who underestimates slippery slopes like this. The orange truck struggled to climb the hill. The engine screeched. Black smoke billowed. But no, the wheels started to spin. The truck couldn't move even a step. The driver was forced to back up, but the road was too steep, too slippery. And then the tragedy started. The truck tilted to one side, flipped over completely. The cargo scattered all over the embankment. And here another testament to the danger of this slope. The yellow truck had just swerved to avoid the pothole when the rear wheel fell off the unreinforced edge of the road. The vehicle completely lost its balance, flipping over like a toy in the middle of a road full of lurking traps. A truck loaded with agricultural products could not get through this muddy, landslide-ridden road. The front wheel fell into the ditch. The entire vehicle tilted to one side, crushing the goods and almost crushing the passenger. The yellow truck had just climbed a slope when suddenly, the wheels lost traction. The driver tried to step on the gas, but to no avail. The car began to slide backwards, and impossible to save. The car flipped over, falling down the left edge of the cliff, amidst the helpless eyes of witnesses. And here is the final price for subjectivity and a merciless road. The car lay upside down, motionless, as a clear proof that just one skid can end the whole journey. Do you see? This is not a road. It is an open-air trap. High slope, slippery road surface, no guardrails. Just one wrong turn of the steering wheel, and the car will plunge straight into the abyss. Every car has been knocked down here, no matter how big or small, heavy or light. And now, if it were you, would you dare drive through this stretch of road? Comment below. I'd love to hear your answer. What you just saw was not a random accident. It was the result of difficult terrain, poor infrastructure, and sometimes a split second of carelessness. On each of these routes, not only the drivers, but also their families, gamble with fate. Every turn of the wheel is a challenge to survival. If you found this video helpful, please share it to warn more people. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more real-life, valuable warnings like this. Thanks for watching, and safe travels, and safe driving.